Court. So literally did my makeup in like 10 minutes today because my mom wanted to go to the store and was rushing me. Anyways, I'm sure a lot of y'all have hella grown out nails during this crazy time. You want to get them off just like I did. I know it's not easy to get them off, and sometimes I know a lot of people use acetone or whatever, so let's get into it. Long story short, I ended up going to bed mad early last night. I literally fell asleep at like 8 o'clock or something. I woke up this morning around 6 and I just couldn't fall back asleep. My dad usually gets up around like 7 for work and he eats breakfast and stuff, so I just decided to stay up and chill with him. And I usually get up, to be honest, around like 12, so I didn't really know what to do with myself. And I was thinking like, what can I do? And then I was like, oh my god, I am dying to get these nails off. I've been so busy with schoolwork and stuff that I didn't have time to do it. Started researching stuff like on Google on how to get them off, and I was like, oh my god, cause I didn't want to just rip them off. That's gonna hurt. So I found a couple methods online. This is kind of just like my own take on what I found online, because one of the methods was you can use a business card to like get underneath it and just pop it off. And I was just like, I started looking and stuff that I had around the house. Literally all you need is these two things. A nail file and this, I guess it's a nail file too. I literally just got this in one of those nail kits that comes with like clippers and whatever. And don't get me wrong, this is gonna be a little time consuming. So, you know, make sure you have some time to do it. I found going along the way, at first I literally just had this thing, which was just a nail file, but like I used it so much that the nail file part came off. So then I just decided to use this too. But what I really found helps is you start at the bottom of the nail where like your acrylic ends at, and you start filing it off and just make sure the polish gets off and stuff. It should make it a lot easier for the nail to come off because of that. And I found that out after just trying to like dig at it. The one time when I did it, I just filed the bottom part and I went under it and it literally just came off, and I was like, wow, I need to share this with people. Big thing is you need to make sure the bottom part is loose, even if it's just like a little corner of it, so you can get underneath it. I also have this stick thing that like I'm sure you could use too. I didn't end up needing it. Literally, you just go underneath the nail and like wiggle it around. It's good if you have a sharp thing with a nail file on it too, because then you could start filing it off as you're going. But this is like a really cheap one, so it came off like I said, but if you have like a better one, I'm sure that would work really good too. So yeah, just keep working at it. Your nails are probably gonna be a little messed up afterwards, obviously, and mine were super long too, so just make sure to clip them and like file them all nicely as best as you can when you're all done, because then you're gonna probably want to paint them, or maybe not if that's not your thing. They honestly look really ratchet, but I ended up doing this light peach color. It's by the Sinful Colors Kylie collection or whatever. The color is really cute, but you do have to put a few coats on it for it to like be, what's the word, opaque. So if you're wondering, the color that I used, it's the Sinful Colors Kylie in VI Peach. And I know this like wasn't a long video or whatever, and it's literally so simple. That's literally all I did. And so this video was basically just to show you that you don't need to go to a salon to get your nails off. You barely need anything. I'm sure that all y'all have nail files or nail kits or some kind of thing like that around your house. Hopefully this helped you. I hope all of you guys are staying happy and healthy during this really weird time that we're in. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.